Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a small park. So right now we are in East Houston, 2nd Avenue. But before we go, guys, let me show you where I am. I just run into this park here, and we're going to film it. It's not long, it's maybe a block long, but actually it's 2 blocks long. But let me show you the inside of it. I think I'm only going to take one take because it only has one side. It's not like a conventional street. So now that you see where I am, we're gonna go in. Again, there's no I don't see any I do not see any sign, guys, but that is the entrance. So we go from left to right, and there's no plaque or name or nothing like that. So we're gonna go in right now and explore it. You know what, just so we can make it even bigger, let me show you a little bit, and I'm gonna go slow so we can, you know, have a little longer video. But right now, let me show you here. You got graffiti on the wall back there, nice. And we're gonna be going through the right for now. And again, guys, this is really peculiar because if you notice, this at one time used to be a street, but now it's blocked. So if you go here, you see the gate. So the gate is right here, and you got this strange looking apparatus. I don't know what it is. But if you go here, in the background, you see we have a street, but not a conventional, just like a pathway for pedestrians. So we keep going, guys, to the right. Again, I'll do 2 takes because again, it's not that long. Besides, I gotta do this other side again. So anyway, once we come back, see, these are the things that I'm looking for. Things that, you know, and it's almost like it is hidden and it is not. But this is the and again, I don't know if there's any name here. And you see, there's another entrance exit right here. And we keep going back here. Just so you can see, guys. These are the marvels of New York City. City-wise though, city-wise. And as you can see, here, there's a gate back there. That means that we gotta go now on this other side. Again, I'm trying to make this as long as I can, guys. Let me show you what's back here. And of course, that down there is for the subway, for the F train. And then we have this caseta, or housing, for I guess people can put, you know, like tools for the garden here. Let me show you this tree, guys. Check it out. Okay, hold on, let me back up a little bit. Nice. And I'm sorry, it's not one. I thought it was 2 blocks long. It's only 1 block long. It's only about a block long, you know. And let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you the graffiti here. See? New York City Wildlife Pizza Party. Then you have. You know what I'll do, guys? Let me go here on the path, and then I'll come back again, and I'll show you the murals. So we go through here. Again, guys, I'm gonna have to do a second run. But right now, we're doing the path right now. And again, I'm going slowly. We are going slowly here, guys. And now I'm gonna go back up to the left, and you're gonna see the murals. But check it out. Check it out, man. This is what's here. This is what's here, guys. These are the murals. Nice. Oh, hold on. Check it out, guys. Beautiful flowers, man. That's why I said I love spring and summer, guys. That's the best time of the year. Just like in Christmas, but sunnier. Oh, by the way, do you know that spring and summer are cousins? So basically, I'm gonna call it from now on Sprummer. And there's the last one. Oh wait, hold on. Let me take all the way to the back anyway. Since I'm gonna do the whole wall anyway. And there you go, guys. And now we go back. And this time, I'm gonna go in the middle. So you see, there are times when you have to. Well, for me, I have to do places twice. I don't try to do it third time because, you know, I don't want to bore you. But, you know, again, that's the other exit entrance. Now I'm gonna show you the big murals from the right side, from the left side of this park. So now I'm gonna show you right now. Remember the street? Okay, so I'm gonna go straight here. I'm gonna back up here and I'm gonna show you all this. Check it out, guys. This is my New York City, man. This is my other home. Not second, my other home. That's a big mural, bro. Check it out. Oh, and guys, and this, let me show you what the name of this park is. It's up there. It is First Street Green, okay? Now I'm gonna go back into the middle. So you can see the face right there. Now let me go all the way here to the right. I'm gonna show you what's up here. Hold on. It says love something. Love Q2AR. I don't really cannot, you know. Now we're gonna go back in. And I'm gonna do a 180 right now. I'm gonna show you the other mural, guys. So now I'm gonna go here, just so you can see it. See? This is a street. And this is First Street. So this is the street that goes through the park. And this is First Street East, First Street West. And now that you see in the street, we're gonna go here again, inside. I'm gonna show you the other side of the mural. Noisemakers. You can see we got all these murals in here. Nice. I think that looks like Einstein or Marilyn Monroe. I cannot tell because there's too much stripes in her face. So anyways, just so you can see. Now that's graffiti. That's from the 80s, guys. Trust me, because I lived through that era. It was really cool. And now we go back on the path. And I'll show you this side now. See, that looks like agave, but they're smaller, not big ones. Also, by the way, agave is what they do the tequila, which I don't drink, by the way. You guys should know by now. I do not drink. Okay, now I'm gonna head back again, guys, because again, I want you to see everything. Now we're gonna go the mural, the wall, and I want you to see everything. See, these are the gems, the marbles that New York City has. Yeah, the wall is already peeling out paint. Okay, guys, so now we go here. We go in the middle, and we got this only tree. Nice. This is the biggest tree here. There's more, but this is the one in the entrance. And this is what they call the First Street Green. First Street Green, guys. That's the name of the park. Again, there is no, you know, signs or you know, for that stuff. Okay, guys. So the video is coming to an end, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you all some more time. We are located right now at East Houston Street and 2nd Avenue. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.